Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, so first verify whether we have any Office suite comes with Oracle Linux. See, you don't have any Office suite applications. Okay, so first open the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. Hit enter. Then see here the latest release at the time of this installation is LibreOffice 25.2. So click on download, then again click on download LibreOffice. Then you have to select the RPM package for the Oracle Linux from this drop down. Okay, so select Linux 64-bit RPM, then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 229 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract this zip file and we will install it. We have successfully downloaded. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the zip file. We have to unzip this one. tar-xf. Then give libre 1 or 2 or 3 letters of this file. Then press the tab on keyboard to autofill entire file name. Then hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to this extracted directory. Hit enter. ls. Now go to this RPMs. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed to install. So sudo rpm -ivh star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is installing LibreOffice 25.2. See, we have successfully installed Ctrl+A. Now go to activities, then show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice base, means it is like MS Office Access. Then LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc means it is like MS Office Excel. LibreOffice Draw, it is like PowerPoint, Impress, Math, and Writer. Writer means it is like MS Office Word. Okay, so open this LibreOffice Calc application. Now verify the version. Go to help about LibreOffice. See, we have installed LibreOffice 25.2. Close this one. Close this one. So we have successfully installed. Go to downloads directory, ls. Folder and this file is not required, so remove it. rm, give libre, give the tab. ls, remove this directory as well. rm-rf, then give LibreOffice, give the tab, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.